Okay, Sagittarius, I got a download that there is a major door opening up for you within the next 48 hours. Let's see what this is. Let's see if I can give you any clues, any hints, or anything to look for so you don't miss the door. What is this for the sign of Sagittarius? Ha! Somebody you got into an argument with is coming back. I don't know if you guys got into a bunch of arguments or whatever here, but somebody you got into an argument, and they lost the damn argument. It's coming back to you. It could be two different people. Two different people that lost an argument with you. They're coming back. Okay, let's see what else we got here. All right, there is somebody here that really admires you. So I feel like even though you may have had some words exchanged, it looks like you're standing your ground with these two people. They are coming to you to bring you gifts. And it does look like they do really actually admire you. And maybe you don't see that, or maybe you don't know that. Whoops. Hold on. I just dropped a card. Things are changing. Yeah. I feel like maybe you don't know that because you are appearing to be very defensive right there and very detached. Okay. What else we got here for the sign of Sagittarius? Oh, okay. Probably because they falsely accused you of something here. You see that? Two people you're standing your ground with that are coming back to you to bring you gifts. You're very detached due to some false allegations. They falsely accused you of something here. But now they admire you. What the hell? Okay. Oh, wolves in sheep's clothing here. Okay, there's a wolf in sheep's clothing here. I don't know if someone's in jail. There's some bars here or whatever. But this person, you got somebody watching you here. This is somebody who backed themselves up into a corner here. And you see these bars? This is to protect them from you. But they are steady watching you. Whoever this is, they falsely accused you of something. Okay. So what else we got here? Okay, that's obviously clear. It's very clear that this was all false bullshit allegations against you. What is this? Man, these cards are flying. Okay. There could be something you're researching or looking into or something here. Let's see what this is. Prince of Wands. Maybe you're trying to, this is somebody who's doing magic. This reminds me of Harry Potter. Somebody could be trying to do magic on a Queen of Cups. What the hell? What the hell is going on here? I don't know if this is somebody you know or if this is someone watching my channel. This does look like a kid. I don't know if somebody's being very childish, trying to do magic on a feminine here that's showing up as a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. What in the world am I picking up? Oh my good God. Sagittarius. There's a Sagittarius here doing some research. Trying to cast some sort of spell. Oh, because this person's single, independent, abundant. They have everything they need and they want. So why are you messing with them? Oh, because you want to take a leap of faith towards them. So why don't you just reach out and introduce yourself to them? Was this here? Oh, okay. Because you're in an awkward position. Okay, okay. So you feel awkward around them? Or did you make her feel awkward and now she's like, get me the fuck out of here? This person's casting spells. What the hell? Get me out of here. Yeah, okay. Well, somebody here has got a new beginning. Somebody here is land-based in a new beginning here. Hands down. Okay? Somebody here has decided to drop the burdens because someone is making someone feel very uncomfortable, very awkward. Okay? So they're deciding to drop the burdens and go the other fucking way. Oh, somebody tried to pull somebody into a third party. What the hell? Okay, well, God's about to fill up an Ace of Cups. Now, Sagittarius, I don't know if you're doing this to a Queen of Pentacles or a Queen of Cups, or if there is a Queen of Cups trying to do this to you. But somebody is trying to cast some sort of spells on someone here. What in the world? Okay, the Hermit card. Someone's coming out of the Hermit. Okay, blockage removed. Wow, check this out. Someone is coming out of the Hermit mode. There's a blockage here that's getting removed. Okay, what do we got here? Okay, there's a big opportunity coming your way here that's going to help you lay down some burdens here, okay? That's what the Spirit is trying to tell you. What is this here? Okay, somebody is watching you, okay? What is this here? Okay, someone, oh, you probably, I think you astral project when you sleep because this is what this means. Okay. Whoa, what is this? Okay, somebody here is going to reach out to you. Usually when this card comes out, this person's got like a hidden agenda. Okay. All right. What do we got here? Okay. Okay. Someone here is reaching out to you. They got a hidden agenda. They need to come to you to get some keys to some doors. Okay. So you got access to something they want. That's why they're reaching out to you. Okay. Yeah. You're kind of like pulling back from them. Like, nah, I don't think so. Okay. What is this here? Okay. There's a King of Swords here. He's got a sword down. He's just watching, not saying nothing. Okay, somebody here is cutting ties. Oh, cutting a lot of ties. Wow, okay. Right, and releasing. Okay, somebody is in the process of releasing. The Magician. Okay, so that they can manifest something here. They got everything necessary to manifest. Was this here? Okay. I don't know if you're dealing with a Capricorn here. Somebody here has got some serious control issues. Okay, let's see what we got here. Whoa. All right. It looks like you got a solid foundation built with that person. This is a soulmate, twin flame. Okay, something here is going to happen at nighttime when you least expect it. There is an Aquarian showing up here as your soulmate, twin flame, whoever that is. Okay, what do you got? Yeah, somebody here. Yeah, definitely. Somebody here is... Somebody during the day was watching you. Some at nighttime is going to happen when you least expect it. But there was somebody during the day watching you. Okay. A Prince of Pentacles. So there's a Prince of Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn here that was watching you earlier today. Oh, yeah. Whoever that is, they want to ante things up with you here, okay? And there's a Scorpio here watching you. What is this here? Wow, you got justice for staying very focused here. 10 of Cups here. Okay, I do see that somebody here is alone. They could be, somebody here could be very emotional because they're alone. Or someone is very emotionally happy even though they are alone. Okay, what do we got? That's not supposed to be like that. What do we got here? Oh, damn, it's top secret. Look at this. Oh, somebody here is heartbroken. Okay, and looking for some sort of guidance here. Okay. All right, what is this? High priestess? Someone is showing up as a high priestess. What is this here? Okay, someone has definitely crossed the line with you here. Okay, be careful. That trickster's coming back around. King of coins, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Coming back around. Okay, yeah. This person doesn't want to fight with you anymore. Yep. Okay. They want a new beginning. Right. Hangman here. But you put him in a hangman position here. Let's see why you put him in a hangman position. Why is this? Oh, you realized you were wasting your time on them. That's why you put him in a hangman position here. Now they're coming back around. They want a new beginning here with you. They don't want to fight with you no more, but they are showing up as the trickster, so be careful. Means they're coming back toward you, acting like they want a new beginning for a reason. Okay? They tricked you once, they'll trick you again. Yeah, Ten of Swords here. Betrayal. Yep. Okay, there's an Emperor here. Sitting back watching you. Okay. There's somebody. Wow, you got people researching you from every damn direction. Okay. There's an Emperor sitting back watching you, spying on you. It looks like you may have stood your ground with this person. King of Swords. There's two people here that you stood your ground with. There's an Emperor and also the King of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So there's two people here, an air sign and a fire sign. Okay, what else is this? Oh, again, Ten of Swords. Wow. Okay, somebody feels very betrayed because they've been left out in the cold. Okay, so I don't know if you're standing your ground with these two people because you feel betrayed because they left you out in the cold and now they're coming back. Knight of Swords, yeah, then they gave you anxiety. They left you out in the cold. They gave you anxiety. They didn't give a fuck what you were going through then. Now they're going to come back around and want you to give a fuck about what they're going through. Yeah, they're nothing but a player. I wouldn't even worry about it. Yep, they're given, see, they're given to two different people here. What is this here? Okay, Ten of Cups here. What is this here? Aquarius. All right, walking away. Somebody here was given to two different people here. Maybe they wanted a family with somebody who has Aquarius in their chart. That's why they walked away. Okay, looks like you are staying in your ground here. Okay. Devil in reverse. I feel like you just don't want anything that's toxic in your life here. You're definitely not falling for anybody's traps. That's for sure. Sagittarius, there you are. You're showing up as an earth angel. Death card. I don't know if there's a Scorpio here. But you are definitely deciding to end something. Yeah, you may have somebody with Scorpio in their chart choosing you. Picking you. Okay. You may have Aquarius in your chart here. All right, it looks like somebody here is ignoring someone. All right. And it looks like someone is rushing in towards someone with some sort of communication. King of Swords, Justice. I don't know if that's a Libra here. Something has ended between you and this King of Swords and this Emperor. Somebody here is choosing, looks like an Aquarian, but they're being ignored, or somebody is ignoring someone. They're rushing in with communication towards this King of Swords. Justice is about to be served. What is this? In the past? For something in the past? Okay, somebody's got a lot of shit getting in their way now. And guess what? Now you're moving on. Okay, I feel like somebody wants to go out on a date or somebody wants to ask somebody out on a date. What is this here? I don't know. Aquarius, I don't know if you're wanting to ask an Aquarius out on a date, Seven of Swords, but you're hiding it. Or somebody is hiding a relationship. Right, okay. Somebody here is been working, just stacking their coins. What's this here? Five of Wands. Oh, okay. Well, somebody here has been just working, stacking their coins due to some sort of fight or argument or struggle or whatever's going on here. Looks like you're about to be happy about some here. What is this here? Oh, somebody feels left out in the cold. Huh. You're probably, when you find out what this is about, you're probably going to laugh about it, okay? What is this? Yeah. All right. Yeah, because you've already released the main character that's involved in this story here. You've already released that person out of your heart chakra. I feel like you're going to find out that somebody's plan backfired on them. Okay? But you have a major door opening up. So let's find out what this door is all about. Oh, God's about to hand deliver something to you here. Oops. Let's see here. What is God about to give? Someone's sad. Someone's missing you. Okay, wish fulfillment. You are their wish fulfillment. Okay, they're coming out of a hangman position here and they want to know, are you with anybody? You got a boyfriend, you got a girlfriend. It looks like you're just walking away from them. Like, I'm not even going to answer that damn question. It's none of your fucking business. I'm not with you, and that's all you need to know. Okay, what do we got here? Why does this Aquarius card keep popping up? Do you got Aquarius in your chart? Okay, look. There's some shit's been top secret all day. These cards keep popping out like this. Okay, what you don't know, what you can't see is someone here has chosen you. God is trying to hand deliver something to you. Maybe an Aquarius has chosen you, but you're not seeing it because you have walked away. Somebody here has chosen you. Okay, you will receive messages here. You've been telepathic communicating with somebody here. Oops, shit, messing these cards out. Let's see again. Again, this happens again. This is this. Yeah, okay. This person, okay, whoever this person is here, they severely crossed the line here with you. I feel like they put you up in your head a little bit for this. Yeah, maybe both of you guys were up in your head. Okay, somebody wants to date you. Do you see this here? Somebody's highly in their head, but somebody here wants to date somebody. Okay? Somebody here is choosing you. This is somebody who has crossed the line here with you. You may have given them a slap down or something here. I don't know. And then both of you guys ended up in your head, or either that. There was somebody here trying to pull somebody in a third party. I don't know if both you feminines found out about it. Now both you guys are up in your head over this person here trying to date you. Let's see. They're saying this person chose you. So this person's choosing you over everybody. What is this here? Yeah, this person's going to put out a little small gesture here. See how you feel about it. But oh my goodness, it looks like you're having anxiety. What is this? Oh, because you think this person is a player. Oh, because this person played you in the past. So I feel like you're afraid they're going to play you again in the future. Yeah, Ten of Swords. They betrayed you in the past. They played you in the past. They betrayed you. What is this here? Queen of Swords. All right, there's a Queen of Swords here. She is holding. She knows the truth here. She's holding out her hand. She is allowing for people to approach her. All right. But it looks like somebody's got a lot of shit in the way. You see that? This Queen of Swords is allowing for people to approach her, but whoever she's allowing to approach her is so distracted with some other bullshit here, they can't even see that. Okay. Someone's got too many damn distractions. What is this here? King of Wands. Yeah, you. There's a Queen of Swords here. She is allowing for you to approach her, but it seems like you're just too damn distracted with a bunch of shit here that, think about it. Does any of this shit really matter? Okay, Hierophant here. Somebody may want a relationship. Yeah, someone wants a relationship here. Somebody wants to come get somebody. Have them leave everything behind and come with them. Oh, see, blockage remove. Okay, somebody's about to come get somebody. Okay, somebody here is removing blockages out of the way. That's what I got for you, and I will see you in the next video.